Hey guys, it's me again. Welcome to another video here on our channel. So this here, it is a video from our archives of travel. It's been actually 2 years since we were there, and per the look of the title, you already know what it is about, but we want to be able to share with you this video because we did not actually upload this video because of everything that happened. So I was being a little bit sensitive to the situation that was occurring over there. So this was just one of the videos that stay in the archives. We're gonna be doing this a little bit different. It's not gonna be me narrating anything on the video. It's just you watching raw footage, everything that we did while we were in Shanghai, China. So we stayed actually at the Meridien in downtown Shanghai, which is a great hotel. Unfortunately, we did not have a lot of footage from the hotel, but we took a little bit of a video from my wife's archives and we'll be able to show you in there. And also their restaurant was just crazy. This is like one of the biggest restaurants I've ever seen staying at any hotel in the world. I think it is the biggest restaurant with just a lot of option of food and everything that it has. So I hope you'll be able to enjoy this video that we're about to show to you. But before we do, here we are the Panzo family, and we love sharing our tips for travel, food, and our family adventures. And if this is something that interests you, please be sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, share this video to many other friends. Our goal is to hit 500 subscribers by the end of this year, and I hope that you are going to help us reach that goal. So please share this video to many other friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's go.
In Shanghai now. And this is our view from our bedroom. You can see down here. So we're on the 46th floor. And there's still 30 something floors on top of us. You can see on the bottom here. So that's partial the city. Partial view of the city. Yeah, partial view. Amazing.
Good morning from Shanghai. Cloudy, it's rainy, but it's still a great day.
We're at the People's Square. That's just a little bit of it right here. So we're about to catch the train, and then we're gonna go to a garden and some other things.
Stephanie's lounge hopping with me. Pudong. Now we're going to China Airlines Lounge. We're officially leaving Shanghai and China, heading back to America.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy seeing some of the footage of what we did while we were there in Shanghai. Spent 3 days in the city of Shanghai. It is one city that we will definitely love to go back and explore more because there was just so much to do there. And we felt like the 3 days that we were there was not enough. So again, please be sure to hit a like button on this video and make sure you share this video to many other friends and hit the notification button so that way you know when we drop a new video. So, see you on the next one.